boys and girls. So today you guys are going to do a drawing of a mom and a baby otter. You're going to use your pencil, even though they use markers, pencils are smarter. And you're going to do this drawing, and then I'm going to give you directions at the very end, okay?
We're going to draw otters.
Yeah, we're going to draw two otters, a mama and a baby.
Yeah.
Okay, you got your marker?
Yeah.
We hope you have something to draw with and you're going to follow along with us. We're using markers and we're using 2 sheets of paper so it doesn't go through to the table. Okay? You ready to start?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Okay, heads, we're going to draw the baby first and then we're going to draw her arms around her and then we'll draw the mama after. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's first draw the baby and we're going to draw 2 eyes like this. It's going to be a really cute otter. We're going to just draw 2 little dots. And then we can draw the little nose. Good. And then let's draw a little mouth. And we'll just do a little V. Upside down V. Good job. Okay, now let's draw the arms that are coming up for the baby otter. So we're going to draw one upside down U or rainbow line. It's coming up to her mouth. Good. Good job. I like how far you're drawing it off to the left. You're going to have plenty of room over here on this side. Okay, and then let's draw the other arm that's coming up like that. She's got both arms coming up to her mouth. Good job. And then we can draw 2 little lines on each hand for little fingers. Okay, now let's draw her face. And we're just going to draw a little zigzag line that goes around this little puffy line. Little puffy line that goes all the way. Are you laughing at my drawing? Like that.
Looks like a fuzzy ball.
Yeah, fuzzy ball. So we'll start there and go all the way around. And you just want to do little zigzags. Little. Yeah, not big ones. We just want her to look like she's just got short fur. And go all the way around her head. Good. And then back down. Like yours. I like how cute it looks. All right, okay. Now let's draw the mama arm that's coming around holding her baby, okay? So we're going to draw a curved line that comes around, back, and then it's going to go back under her head like that.
Whoa.
So you can start here. Yours is a little different, and we'll come out. So come out from a point right there, and then we'll come back around, and then come back into her head.
Okay. Whoa.
Good. And then back around.
Yeah.
Good job. You did it. And then we can draw little paws, little marks or little lines for fingers. There we go. All right. Okay. Now let's draw her other arm that's coming in and holding her. So this one's going to come in. So another line. Let's start let's start right here and then draw a line that connects to that arm. Good. Now let's draw the shoulder, and that's going to be a line that comes around this and in. So we're going to start right here, come around to there.
Okay.
Good job. All right, and then we can do a couple lines there for her fingers too.
Okay.
Nice. All right, now let's draw her head. And she could have a fuzzy head too, but I'm just going to draw a round head like this. And we're going to come back down and then end into the shoulder. So let's start right here. We'll go around, up, and then connect into there. This big rainbow line. Yeah, good job. Okay, good. And then let's draw her face. So let's draw an eye right here. It's going to be behind the baby's head, and then another eye over here. And eyelashes, I like it. And then let's draw her little nose in between her eyes. Then let's draw her ears. They've got little ears.
Tiny ears.
And let's draw ears on the baby too.
I like the baby.
I do too. Okay, and then let's draw. Okay, now let's draw her body that's coming down. So let's draw a little body that comes down here. So a big U shape.
Okay.
Good. And then let's draw the baby's body that comes in under her arms. Good. And then we're going to draw the U right here to finish it. So we're going to imagine that coming through under her arm right here, and then a U that comes back.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, now let's draw the little baby feet. So we're going to draw a curve here. Let's actually make it an oval. Make a little oval there. We could do another oval over here under her arm. So a little oval right there and a little oval right there. Good. One more. And then let's draw the otter's tail, and it's going to come down like this and then back up. Good. And then let's draw the little toes.
Tiny toes.
Tiny toes. And this one's under.
Oops, sorry about that. No. Where'd it go?
Underneath her arms, so it's kind of hard to draw the toes. Now let's draw the feet for the mama.
Whoa.
We're going to draw big ovals like this. Like that. So one right here, a big one, and another big one over here.
Okay, keep going. Keep going through. Sorry about that.
Go crazy. Whoa.
Good. Good. And then another one over here. Awesome. Okay, good. And then let's draw the little toes also, the top. And then let's connect with legs. So a little line there to connect the feet right there. And then I'm going to do one over here too on the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the baby. If we go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yes, you guys can pause the video. Good. Okay, we got the feet connected. Now I'm going to draw big tail for mama.
Big tail for mommy.
There we go. And you're going to run out of room, huh?
Yeah.
You could just draw a shorter tail because you're kind of running out of room. So start right here, come all the way down, all the way to the very bottom of the paper, right here, and then we'll come back up to the other leg.
Okay.
Okay.
Oops.
Good job. I like it. Okay, should we give them a little whiskers?
Yeah.
Let's do 1, 2, 3. Oh, are you making the tail round at the bottom? I like it. And then 1, 2, 3 over here. And then let's give the mama whiskers too. 1, 2, 3. And you know what? I'm going to do eyelashes just like you.
And on the baby.
And then maybe we could let's put a little line inside their ears. It turned out super cute. Okay, but we need a color, don't we?
Yes.
Okay, so let's pick out our colors. We'll come back.
Alright, boys and girls, so now you're going to set your timer. You don't need the video anymore. You're going to set your timer for 5 minutes at the very longest. And you're going to color your baby otter and your mama. And then you're going to take a picture of your picture. So you're going to go onto Seesaw. and you're going to click Add an Assignment, the little plus button, and you're going to click Photo. You're going to take a picture of your picture, and then you're going to record your voice, and you're going to tell me how is the mama and the baby, how are they alike and how are they a little bit different? If you're not sure how to seesaw that to me, find an expert that can help you. Got it? So this should take no more than 5 minutes for coloring and 2 minutes to seesaw. So I want you to be done with this activity in the next 7 minutes, okay? So make sure you set your timer. You did an awesome job, and sorry about the interruptions while we were doing this.